Hello there, you're watching Dansky, and in this 2-minute tutorial we're going to learn how to adjust colors in your video in Premiere Pro. Now when I started learning Premiere Pro, this took me a rather long time to realize I could do this because I'd just been working in the default workspace for me, which was editing, and I had these panels on screen and I didn't think much of it until I watched another tutorial somewhere and realized that you could switch to the color workspace. Then it squishes all of these panels, but then you get this whole color panel on the side. And we have lots of different categories that we can go through to adjust color. But the main one is basic correction. And you can preview how your changes look with the tick box here. And you can adjust things like temperature, exposure, contrast. I mean, this looks awful, but you can adjust all of the sliders. You can reset it. You can ask it to automatically adjust them. You can go down to the creative tab and you can select a certain look from this drop down list here. Or you can click these left and right arrows, and in this small window here you can preview loads of different presets, and then you can click anywhere on this preview and it will apply this to your image. And we can then go and add like a faded film effect. If you increase that slider, you can adjust the saturation. You can adjust by increasing or decreasing the intensity. There's a whole bunch of things that you can do. So for me, I like to switch into this view when I have a small screen that I'm working on, make some color adjustments to the footage on the timeline, and then just switch back to my editing workspace with those changes applied. And there we go. That is a cheeky way to adjust color in Premiere Pro.